Hello again, loves. Happy March, and welcome to a Color Rush Studio March kit unboxing. So we've got this glorious kit right here. I always save the tissue paper. I'm just gonna throw that over there because it's very, very cute. And it's a fun design. We can reuse that, right? So this is everything that comes in the kit. I didn't order any a la carte this time. To be honest, I forgot. It was a busy end of month at work. And that's where we land, right? Okay. Oh, let's just put some of that over there. Okay, so we do get some glorious, looks like it's all bunch of fun things for spring. So we're just going to go through this one by one. So we've got Simple Stories, a Simple Vintage Flower Shop, which is fabulous because I was eyeballing that one. And you know, I'm trying to get some stuff used up. All right, we're gonna fold that up. Let's move that over there. All right. So let's get some stuff out of the way. All right. Okay, so this one is Dreamer. All of these butterflies. Let's adjust the camera here. They're just begging to be fussy cuts, and on the back side is this beautiful purple. So we do have 2 sheets of that. Well, that's not going to work because you can't see what's going on. Okay. So 2 sheets of that. I guess I should have looked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this to make sure that I have the fronts and backs, and I'll be right back. Give me just a second. Always be organized, right? All right, so the next one we have 2 sheets of is another Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Flower Shop in Fabulous. So we're gonna tuck these all in, and the back side of that. So you got this beautiful floral on a brown, and the back side of that is a gorgeous teal, brown, and purple plaid. We have 2 sheets of this Journaling Elements, same collection. So that is a beautiful teal with the flowers on it. And then here are our Journaling Elements. Making sure that we don't. So lots of things to fussy cut. And the next one is Beautiful from the same collection with these fabulous florals. Oh, so many things to fussy cut in this. And on the back side of that is this gorgeous kind of a corally pinky plaid. And then we get the Wisteria Gingham. So you got a very fun purpley wisteria in kind of a mixed media, and then a gingham print with some mixed media on top. And then we've got this one, which is Celebrate Life, which is this beautiful, this is all this, nope, now this one is Life in Full Bloom. Beautiful wreath, and on the back is some gorgeous greenery. And then from, hold on, let me make sure I get them all the right way. From Cartabella Sweet Garden, we have Here, There, and, oh wait, no, this is Sweet Garden, and it is Garden Critters. So, you know, the beautiful texture from the Cartabella with all these cute little garden critters. And then on the back side of that is this gorgeous lagoon color. And then we have this one from Sweet Garden, which is called 4x4 journaling cards. On one side we have these gorgeous keys, and on the back side we have the 4x4 journaling elements. And then this one is called Fairy Tale Books. Same collection from Cartabella. So all these fun books. You can make border strips out of those. And on the back side of that is a very used tone-on-tone pink. And then last but not least from Cartabella, Cartabella Here, There, and Everywhere. You have fresh daisies. So on one side we have the gorgeous pale blue, like a dusty blue, and white daisies. And then a yellow polka dot. So that will go well with everything. Look how well this kit is. Woo. Then we get these two gorgeously, massively large doilies in a brown. Loving those. We've also got the Shine On Thickers. So these are, I believe, a Chamel. And they are silver gold on top of pink foam. And you cannot have a Color Rush Studio kit without the frazzles and ribbons. So we've got, oh my goodness, they're bees. You guys, they're bees. I can't wait to do a bee layout. Oh, with my dog. Then you've got the fun little poms, some plaid, and then a floral. And we also get the floral bits from the Simple Vintage Flower Shop. So a whole bunch of flowery pieces. Oh, I'm in love. Look at the bits and pieces here. They are, let's just open up. And the back is totally usable packaging. Let's just pull one of these guys out. So they are very 3D little flutterbys. That's what Sam used to call them, with sequins on them in a purple, a seafoam, a pink, and a blue. Okay. Then we've got these beautiful keys. I'm loving those. Let's see. Trying to get this so you guys can see everything without covering stuff up, right? Then we have some cork with the bees and the BU and the, I'm in love. I'm so excited. I'm like shaking my hands. And then we have these wood veneer pieces, which spell out home. And then you get the little hearts, and I guess the heart goes in. Oh, then you even get the little inside pieces. I love those. And more bits and pieces. We got some fun epoxy daisies. So let's see. Okay. And last but certainly not least, we get the Let's Stay Home acrylic title. How fun is this? So if you guys have not, I do have a link down below, and there is a discount code. Please use that if you want to. I'll use the affiliate link, and pick yourself up one of these kits. They are so gorgeously curated, and I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to dive in and start creating with these. So don't forget to check out Color Rush Studio, and everybody else that does their unboxings on the design team, please check that out. And I will see you guys later with another one. Bye for now.